engineered with Teflon and reinforced fiberglass. PTFE structural membrane set the gold standard in durability and performance, offering unmatched resistance to UV exposure, chemicals, and extreme weather. It boasts an impressive lifespan of over 25 years. As the most fire-resistant option in the industry, PTFE membrane is the preferred choice for iconic, long-lasting tensile structures. With its smooth surface and lotus leaf effect, PTFE keeps structures clean with minimal maintenance. It transforms sunlight into a soft glow. With 8 to 25% light transmittance, it provides day lighting while blocking excess heat. Our processing facilities are equipped with 3.8-meter wide, CAD-assisted automatic cutting tables and welding machines, staffed by experienced professionals in PTFE membrane fabrication. We offer a complete, one-stop solution for end users, encompassing all aspects from size measurement, material production to engineering design, fabric cutting, welding, assembly, packaging, logistics, and on-site installation. We have extensive project experience to custom design solutions. Contact us today to discuss your project requirements.